Get to catch the plane at 7:30. Why haven't you come to say goodbye? Time is running out and I'm still waiting. I'm so lost without you, I could die. Yesterday you said you love me. Everything seems to be fine. Today you're not here, I'm so lonely. It's the waiting that's driving me out of my mind. Inventory sa sambong. Para na siya sa mga dili makaihi, guys. Don't you don't know how to sing unless how can I perform if you're not there? This will be the worst of all my journeys. The image of your face will follow me everywhere. I need your tender kisses, the feel of your hands, your caress, your perfume has me burning. My heart's yearning to touch you. I need you so much. If you're not here by my side, can't hold back the tears I tried to hide. Ang tanda-tanda na original singer nito, si Ruby Rosa. I wasn't born yet by the time na sikat yung kantahan niya. Pero para siyang old but gold. Parang si Babal. I try to hide. Don't think I can take it. I know I won't make it without you. If you're not here by my side, only your love keeps me alive. No sense in dreaming, my life has no meaning. If you're not here. Grabe sad ka, Ruby Rosa. My life is meaningful kay giset ako daan ni Babal bago siya namatay. Si Babal kabalo na siya nga iyang days were numbered. Kaya sabi niya dakdak. Babal oy. Alam mo, kilalanin niyo ng mabuti ang iyong asawa ko. Kasi ako, gamay lang mo ng time mo, Mark. Imagine binang 1 year and 12 days lang. Kung wala namatay, di ko kabalo nga naging pilot captain siya. Ang nabawan ko na ako ka Navy lang siya, tapos nakita na ko siyang papel. Kanang mga papel niya sa una, yan ang gi-intriga na ko. Wala ko paki ba? So diha na ako siya nakitaan katong nag-file na ako sa benefits. I need your tender kisses, the feel of your hands, your caress. Your perfume has me burning. My heart's yearning to touch you. I need you so much. If you're not here. Oh my God, mag-inventory day ko. Dito na yung boss ko. Sure. Sulat-sulat. Aron ino na igibuhat.